Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you my update on my worm bin. I built a DIY worm bin, compost bin, and I wanted you guys to see this. Check it out. This is how it looks like, guys. It's a pretty huge Tupperware. I built 2 of them. I just want to show you what I put in it for my worms to eat. You guys can see on the top, it's pretty moist. And then I added like cardboard, and I added some lettuce. When I harvested my manila lettuce, I added that into this worm bin. And if you guys saw my other videos, how I made it, you guys will see. So check it out, guys. I dumped some lettuce down there. It's almost all gone. You can see the worms come there, even eating the cardboard. There's some worms down there. You guys can see them. They're red wrigglers. When they have those rings on them, they become adults, so they'll reproduce. And you can see they're enjoying life down there. But yeah, all you got to do is add some cardboard. I add coconut coir, and then I added some manila lettuce from my Aquaponics, and that's what they are eating right now. I do have some of the spinach stems decomposing. I had a little paper towel with some kitchen scraps in there. As you can see, they're decomposing everything, and they were pretty happy. So yes, if you put light on them, they'll go down, but right now they stay on top of the top 3-4 inches of this coconut coir. So that's where you want to add your food. You don't want to have too much. You can see them running away again, and they're just enjoying it in there, guys. So in a couple months they'll reproduce, and I'll have some more red wrigglers. And then you can see on the bottom of my bucket I have some runoff that I'm going to use for the worm compost juice and use it to fertilize my potting plants. Once again, that's my DIY worm bin. It's coming down to the bottom and you can see the pipe down there in the bottom where it drains down into the bucket. But yes, guys, that's how you do it. And then I just keep this closed. So over in Hawaii, it's not too hot right now, so I just leave this down like this. There's some holes right here, and I haven't had any worms escape yet, thank goodness. But yeah, I just keep it like this so the worms can get some air. Then I'll take you over to the other side here. This is my other worm bin. And you can see, same thing. I put some cardboard, I keep it moist. And I have some lettuce droppings down there, some lettuce from Aquaponics again. I'll move this. I don't know if you'll see any worms down there. Oh yeah, you can see them. They're right there. There's the red wrigglers down there. Some pretty big ones. Another good thing about this is that they will decompose everything and make some great worm castings. Once again, I don't close it all the way. But another thing you guys can do, just want to share this with you guys. I'll move over to my aquaponics. Now if you look in here, you guys can see I have my water coming down. I put a little filter, and sometimes I take leaves and I'll take them off and I'll put them down here so I can feed these guys. But as the any kind of leaves like this drop down, there's compost worms in here, red wrigglers also. I try to move them, but like look under here, see there's red wrigglers under there. So one of my friends told me this trick: put some red wrigglers in your grow beds and they will help decompose the some of the fish waste that comes in here like that, and it'll help convert it to nutrients that the plants can take up. As you can see, I've got some spinach growing here. They look pretty healthy, and I've got tomatoes right here growing also. And just to show you, I do have tomatoes right up here growing into my aquaponics. And another thing on aquaponics, you want to trim the lower leaves of the tomato, because that's where all the disease will come from. When they get too much moisture down here, they'll get a lot of disease. So I kind of trimmed it up, and now my tomatoes are taking off again. Alright guys, and also I spread them out. I got some Chinese celery. And that's it, guys. If you guys like that content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think of my aquaponics here. These are my grow beds. If you guys haven't seen my other videos, I'm using black cinder. You can see, very porous, and it helps out the bacteria growing there. And it helps out and helps with your plants. Once again, you guys saw down here, red wrigglers are in there eating, decomposing all that fish waste, turning it into some good nutrients that my plants can use. Alright guys, check that out. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and most of my grow beds, or I would say all of my grow beds here, I put red wrigglers inside, so anything decomposing, like you see some ginger roots, and I have other stuff down here. I purposely, when I harvest my vegetables, whatever the lower leaves are that are not so nice, I take them off and I put them inside I dig a little hole in the black cinder and I put them in there, and that helps the red wrigglers in there have more food that they like. I'll post more videos on updates of my plants and how they're doing. And some other videos you can see, I also have my little biofilter down there that helps all of it. Guys, check out my video on my biofilter video, and just to come, I'm gonna build another filter here, swirl filter. Got this big, like 37 gallon tub from Tough Products, or same thing like the other one. If you guys like that content, hit the like button and subscribe. Alright guys, you have a good one. Subscribe and leave a comment, and I will try my best to comment back on what you guys think or what you guys comment on. Alright, let me know what else other videos you guys would like to see, or if you have any questions on aquaponics, check out my other videos and also leave me a comment and I'll comment back. Alright guys, thank you very much. Subscribe and take care. Have a good one.